Hi everyone, this is Al Drushler, and in this objective we want to identify the terms, the coefficients, and the degree of a polynomial. So this says determine the terms and the degree of the polynomial. We'll also talk about the coefficients on this as well. This will be our only example from this section, or for this objective. So this is a polynomial. A polynomial will not have any negative exponents or any fraction exponents, so all the exponents will be positive integers. And if you know, we have, or as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3 signs here. Therefore, each of these is called a term. So there are 4 terms in this polynomial. Okay, so the terms then are 6p cubed q squared, negative 1p squared q to the 4th. Now you could actually just write negative p squared q to the 4th. Negative 3p q squared, and positive 5. Okay, so those are your 4 terms here. Okay, now, the degree of each term, so the degree of term, we'll do that. The degree of each term is determined by the sum of the exponents. So in this term, term 1, 6p cubed q squared, the exponents are 3 and 2, so the degree is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. And the next one, the degree is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. And the next one now, there's a p to the first power there. So the degree is 3. And in the last one, the degree is 0, because there are no exponents at all. All right, now, the degree of the polynomial is determined by finding the highest degree among its terms. So the highest degree among the terms is 6. So the degree of this polynomial is 6. It's not always the term at the very beginning. Okay, so we needed to find the highest degree of each term. Okay, now, each term has also a coefficient. And that's the number in front of the term. So the coefficient of the first term is 6. The coefficient of the second term is negative 1. The coefficient of the third term is negative 3. And the coefficient of the constant term, so that's a term without a variable, is 5. Even if there is no variable, you still consider that the coefficient. So the terms in this polynomial are 6p cubed q squared, negative p squared q to the 4th, negative 3p q squared, and 5. Those are the 4 terms. The degree of this polynomial is degree 6, because the highest degree found among the terms is 6. If you have any questions, please contact me as soon as possible. This is Al Drushler.